Hey friends, Gator Mom here. I hope you're doing awesome. Today I have a Jujube packing video to share with you. This gorgeous print is one of my new favorites. It is rose colored glass and it is a part of the Rose collection that is launching from Jujube on April 3rd. This gorgeous print has quickly become my absolute favorite on the Be Right Back. Those of you that follow me on social media know that we are a huge Disney family. We live here in sunny Florida in Orlando and we are new Disney annual pass holders. And for some reason, this print screams the castle and it screams Disney to me and I absolutely love it. I think this is going to be my Disney bag for like ever. I can't see a bag that is more perfect for the parks. So I have been carrying this bag like crazy. My kids were actually on spring break this past week and I carried it a ton to Disney. I posted a lot of pictures on Facebook and on Instagram and all those places, and so I'm excited to share this one with you guys. I have something different packed up inside. It's one of the new inserts from Jujube that is coming out on April 3rd. It is the one that was designed for the Be Light, so I think you guys are going to be really excited to see that inside. It is perfect for the Be Right Back. I cannot believe how awesome it fits inside this bag. And then of course it's gonna fit for the Be Light because it's like made for the Be Light and it's like match made in heaven, but it fits inside this bag perfectly. It's like game changer, like prepare to be amazed. But let's go ahead and get through the outside of the bag so I can show you the inside. This Be Right Back, of course, is one of the bigger backpacks from Jujube. Those of you that might not be familiar with it, this entire bag is machine washable, which makes it perfect for traveling and theme parks and all of those places that might get bags like super icky and gross. The front part of the bag here has one kind of magnetic closure there with this little button here. On the front here, I like to put wet ones all the time when I travel anywhere, especially theme parks. I have this bag packed up for like a day at the park just because that's what I recently used it for. A little different than my most recent Be Right Back packing video, again, because it has the insert inside and I've been using it a little bit of a different way, so it will be packed up a bit different from that last video. But inside this front little packet here, I have wet ones. I usually like to pack 1 or 2 packs because we do go through a bunch of them when we're at the parks. And then inside the mommy pocket here behind, I usually hold all of my things in here attached to the key leash. I always have like a hand sanitizer, or I'll just go ahead and clip it on the outside of the bag. I have it attached on the inside right now. And then I have my Jujube Be Rich wallet in here. I just have the whole thing standing up vertically in here since I had it all packed up anyways. Then I have right next to it here, inside the mesh pocket, a Be Tagged, and it has all of our passes in here. We have everything linked to our Magic Bands, but every now and again you will need your passes for like discounts, or if something isn't linked properly, it's always good to have them for like a backup. Then I just have a pack of tissues, and then I have our car keys sitting down there at the bottom. Right above it here in this small pocket, I have a few things for me. I have a Posh healer stick, I have an NYX lip gloss that I like. I also have a Body Shop hand cream. This is in a really yummy citrus scent that I love. And then I also have a eye drops in here. I don't know why, but at the parks my eyes always get super dry, so I always make sure that I have some type of a eye drop with me. So that's everything that I have inside the mommy pocket. Like I said, it's usually just like stuff for me. Then right directly behind it here inside this cell phone pocket, I don't typically put my cell phone in it because I always either have it like in my hand or in my pocket. I'm always taking pictures, or I always need it for like the My Disney app or something, so I never really put it in my backpack at the park. But inside this felt pocket here, I always usually will put my sunglasses in there, or I will have them on my head or on my face. And then I just have like some cash in there. And then I have a ton of miscellaneous. I have gum in there. I have extra hair ties for like my daughter and I. That's pretty much all I have in there. There's really like a ton of gum in there. It's just kind of shoved down at the bottom of that in that pocket. I was thinking park pocket. Yeah, you guys feel me. Okay, so then on the side of the backpack here, you have 2 bottle pockets. I always just keep regular bottles of water in there. I put them in right before we leave, and then I fill them out throughout the day. Then on the back of the Be Right Back, you have 2 awesome backpack straps. This backpack is so comfortable to carry throughout the park. These are really padded, and then the back is super comfortable. It has that dark, nice navy color. Then you also have a hidden spot here, which is where the change pad goes. That comes with this backpack. It is a nice, comfy memory foam change pad. I don't have it packed up in here because my kiddos are no longer in diapers, so I don't need it. But I do carry 3 play packs back here for each one of my kids. I cannot stress enough the importance of having tons and tons of activities for the kids to do when you're going to a theme park, just because there is a lot of lag for wait time for parades and rides and all of that fun stuff. Over here on this side pocket, or this side hook, I actually just have my husband and I's magic bands on there, so they're right ready to go whenever we go next time. I have the kiddos packed up inside because they do wear them when we're there, but once we're done with our fast passes, I will stick them inside the bag because I'm always afraid one of them are gonna lose them, or they tend to get irritated with them whenever we're there for like a longer period of time. So I just have my husband and I's there on the side. So that's everything I have on the outside of the bag. I think I will go ahead and put the camera up just like a tad bit so that you can get a little bit better of a shot before I unzip the bag. Okay guys, I've gone ahead and put the camera up just a little bit higher because I wanted you to see how this insert fits inside the Be Right Back, because it fits in so well. So the backpack has these 2 zipper pulls that unzip the backpack, and then it opens up the entire way down. So it packs up really, really easily, and then this is what the insert looks like packed up inside. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of move it back so that you guys can see it. Inside this front mesh pocket of the bag, I actually just have my daughter and I's ears inside. We have a couple of different pairs, let's be honest, but I have packed up in here just 1 pair. These are rose-colored ones. And we typically will have these on like throughout the whole day, but we will take them off sometimes. So I just have both of them packed up inside this front mesh pocket, and 2 pairs fit really, really well. So I have that packed up in here. I just wanted to show you before I got like a little bit of a closer view here of the insert. Kind of move a little bit closer so that you guys can see. And this is the Be Switched packed inside. I think it is a awesome fit. It works really, really well inside the Be Right Back, especially for those of you that don't like having things fall out of the backpack. You can definitely just unzip, say like at the very, very top, and get things out this way because it works really, really good. So the insert itself just has 1 pocket here in the front, and then you have another pocket here in the back. I actually don't have anything packed up in this pocket. I do, however, have a small little wipe thing back here in the back, but I'll get to that whenever I unpack the insert. I think it would be easiest to show you guys what's in there first. So inside the front pocket here of the insert, I actually just have a couple of park maps, and the only reason I have those is because the kids like to look at those. We use the app on my phone all the time, but the kids like to grab these and draw on them and, like, you know, try to whatever they do with them. So that's what I have inside that front pocket. And then I also have in here these little wilderness explorer things for Animal Kingdom. This is so cool because it's like a whole map thing that the kids can do when they go to Animal Kingdom at Disney World. If you guys are visiting Animal Kingdom, definitely check these out for your younger kids. It's a really cool thing that they do there. So we keep those in there because every time we go, we try to get badges for new little areas of the park. So that's what I have inside that front part. Then moving on, I'm gonna pull this out just a little bit just so that you guys can see a better view looking down into the insert, because I really want you guys to see like the best view here. Actually, I'm gonna pull it out the whole way just so you guys can see it better. And then let me show you what's on the rest of the backpack, and then I'll go through the insert. I know I said I was gonna do it opposite, but this here is just a wipe pouch, and that has regular wipes in there. It's attached on the elastic part here. And then back here, I just have a change of clothes for my youngest. It's back here tucked out of the way. We usually don't ever need it, and that's just a small little wet bag. So it's perfect back there because, like I said, we never use it. And look how pretty the lining is of this backpack. It looks so good. And then back here in the very top of the bag, which I didn't touch on earlier when I was going around the outside, I totally forgot, but this is the most perfect pocket for the autograph books when you're going to Disney. So we have our pens up here, and we also keep, I have one for each of my kids. This is my youngest. He is like a small little Mickey one. And then I have an autographed book for each one of my kids, and it happens to match like perfectly. It's like the same colors and everything. It's crazy, but it's it fits in that pocket great, and they're really, really easy to grab in and out because you never know when you're gonna see the characters pop up around the parks and you wanna get those autographs. The kids are like at the perfect ages for that. So that's what we keep inside that pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead now and move the backpack out of the way, give you guys one last look so that you can really see, you know, the backpack, because I know a lot of you wanna see that. And then I wanna show you this insert so that you guys can see what I have packed inside and little kind of a really good view of that. So this is what the inside of the insert looks like. You have 2 pockets here and a zipper, and then you have 4 pockets on this side. It is a perfect size. I love the way that it packs up. You have 2 pockets here also on the inside of the bag. I'll go ahead and pack or take out what I have on the inside, and then I'll show you kind of what I have around the other pockets of the bag. In this back zipper pocket, I have like a bunch of small, like little things. This just has small med stuff like Band-Aids and things like that. And then I have like a little vitamin C pack and some teeth pickers. This is all like small little things that you may or may not need when you're at the park, like hair ties and things like that. And then in this big part of the bag, I actually just have my monkey mat, which is awesome for the parks. We always use this for like sitting on the ground and everything. And then that's all I had in that middle part of the bag. Over here in this mesh pocket, we just have some bug spray if we're there at nighttime and the bugs are biting. And then over here in this mesh pocket, we just have our sunscreen. This is like a wet skin for kids, and that's a really, really good one to use. Then we don't have anything else in the middle part of the insert there. Over here in this back part, we have 2 medium set pieces. In this one here, we just keep a bunch of snacks for the kiddos. It's all like granola bars and things that won't get squished inside the bag. They're perfect like theme park type snacks. I love keeping snacks inside small pouches because I can just grab the pouch and hand it to the kids, and it just works out really, really well. And they fit inside this insert perfect. Then inside this one here, which is great again to have inside of a pouch, is toys. It's like another good grab and go thing. I can just grab it, throw it at the kids, and they can play while we're waiting for a parade or something. Then I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around here on the other side so that you guys can see. You have 2 small pouches here at the top and 2 small there at the bottom. I don't have anything down here at this bottom one. In this bottom one over here on this side, I actually just have a small little hairbrush for my daughter and a face sunscreen for the kids here, and some extra hair ties in case she needs them. Up here, oops. On this top one, I actually just have my kids' magic bands. This is a perfect little spot to keep theirs whenever they are done wearing them. Then over here in this pocket, a couple more things for me. I just have a Posh little stick. This is like a cooling stick, which is awesome for the summer. I have some rose water to spray on my face because it's like crazy hot here in Florida. And then I also have a travel deodorant. This is made by Secret. So it's like a little like cooling pocket, if you will, for when it gets crazy hot here. So I absolutely love this insert. I love packing it in the Be Right Back. I think that it's perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and loved checking out that rose colored glass BRB and this insert. Again, it is going to be available on April 3rd. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have an awesome day.